What's up, guys? I wanted to put a quick training together uh, about the illusion of choice method in sales techniques. And so, this is what I use specifically for appointment setting. And this is how we drive a conversation forward without giving the opportunity to the person we're speaking to say no or to opt out. And so, the illusion of choice means that I am, and you might hear it or might have heard it in the past as like assuming the sale, assuming the appointment, anything like that. But essentially, all we do is we are giving, we're going through our pitch and then we're ending it with two options, predetermined options. So if I'm looking to set an appointment for you, let's say you sell life insurance and you're talking to a client about getting an appointment or a lead about getting an appointment to schedule with you. You get through that pitch of explaining what you do, why it's important to them, blah, blah, blah. And then you would end it with, hey, we're going to go over this together. We're going to get you options. We're going to go over pricing. We'll go over your health history. If you have a current policy in place, we can review that, blah, blah, blah. I have 2 times available this week, Thursday and Friday. Which day is better for you? It's a very simple, here are 2 days, Thursday and Friday. Which day is better for you? And then they'll choose one day. Friday, awesome. Are mornings or afternoons better for you? Mornings, awesome. On Friday, I have 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. Which time is better for you? The option that you're giving them are predetermined already. You're already determining that this conversation is moving forward to the next step. All you're doing is giving them 2 options to choose from that you've already predetermined that help move the conversation forward. That's all the illusion of choice is. It's a very, very simple but extremely productive and valuable way of moving appointment setting forward, moving sales forward, moving conversations forward. So I hope you guys use this in your business. If you have any questions, let me know.